In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Miro timer. This simple built-in tool is perfect for keeping workshops, stand-ups, and brainstorming sessions on track, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll be confident using it with your team. Start by opening your Miro dashboard and selecting the board where you want to run the timer. It helps to have the content you'll be working on already in view, so when the countdown begins, you can jump straight into the activity. Next, look at the top toolbar and find the timer icon, which looks like a small clock. If you don't see it right away, click Apps or More Tools, then search for Timer. Add it from there, and the timer panel will open on the right side of your screen. Depending on your board's permissions, you may need editing access to start a timer that everyone can see, so make sure you're set up as a collaborator. Now set the duration. In the timer panel, you'll find handy presets for common time blocks, or you can enter your own custom duration. Choose something that fits your activity and consider leaving a little buffer if you expect discussion to run over. You'll see the time clearly displayed so you know exactly what's been scheduled. Before you start, take a moment to review the optional settings. You can turn on music if you want gentle background sound while the clock runs, which can help pace a quiet work sprint. If you're on a call, make sure the volume won't distract your group. You can also enable the end notification so everyone gets an alert when the time is up. That way nobody misses the wrap-up moment, even if they're zoomed in on a different area of the board. When you're ready, click Start. The countdown begins immediately, and all collaborators on the board will see the timer appear on their screens. It's a good practice to announce the time window aloud so everyone is aligned on the schedule. If you need to adjust mid-session, you have full control. Use pause to temporarily stop the clock while you answer a question or clarify instructions. Click Resume to continue from where you left off. If the activity changes and you want to begin again, select Reset to return the timer to the original duration and restart when you're ready. That's all there is to it. With the Miro timer, you can set clear expectations, keep energy focused, and wrap activities right on time. Give it a try on your next session and see how much smoother your collaboration becomes.